How to create avatar in Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now tap on search and search for avatar. Now tap on avatar. Now choose your preferences and tap on save. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.